Hi, I'm Sean and I'm on the road living. This was part of my 2022 trip to Ireland and the Wild Atlantic Way. I'm currently walking on Inch Beach or Inch Strand, which is a 4-mile long sand spit poking out into the sea. I'm currently on the Dingle Peninsula, looking across to the Kerry Peninsula from my previous videos. Unlike the rest of the beach, this bit here, the sand is really soft. I'm sinking in. On reaching the end of the spit, I decided not to travel any further. I didn't want to have to double back on myself. I wasn't 100% sure on the tides. I knew I could walk through the dunes if necessary, but walking through 3 or 4 miles of soft sandy dunes would be quite hard work compared to walking on the compacted sands of the beach. At the tip of the spit, it was like walking through a scrapyard with all the remnants of everything that had been left behind by the tide. There was still a magical beauty to this place though. The distant mountains, the estuary, the sand, the desolation, and the fact I was a few miles from the nearest people made it a great experience. As I headed back round the corner to make the 3-mile walk back to the car park, I just took a moment to have a look round myself and appreciate the absolute beauty. This was one of the best places I went to in Ireland, and I've been to some pretty amazing places. You may be wondering what I'm looking at here, but in the distance there's a car stuck in the sand. You do enter the beaches at your own risk, and here you can see a tractor pulling the car out. I had driven my van previously on a beach down at Duncannon, but I didn't hang around and stay in the soft sand. The guy in the local shop told me it's €100 a go to have these tractors pull you out of the beach. They have to come down from their farm. I think there's more than one of them and they take it in turns. Great little enterprise there. And just when you think this place can't get any more magical, there's someone exercising their horse on a beach. I did my van tour from Inch Beach. In hindsight, it was a crappy rainy day and it made the van look really, really dark inside. It is dark inside. This is my van from 2022 and is not what I'm currently driving. That video can be seen separately and I'll put a link to it below. There were a few spaces outside of the main car park, some for disabled users and some unmarked. So that was helpful as it had a height barrier that I was unable to get under. So if you're in a motorhome, you can still park at Inch Beach and not in the car park. Another tractor awaits its unlucky victim. And if I was this car, I would take a hint. However, The tractor's probably sat there checking the money's transferred into his bank account before he makes the journey up the beach. And fair play to him. Now I camped here, or just behind where I'm shooting. Now the reviews for this motorhome park that's across the road are that it's quite expensive and it has poor facilities and it's got a sloping ground. Now that may well have changed, but that's what it said on the reviews that I read. I parked just down here and I parked for 2 nights without any charge or any hassle whatsoever. Thank you for watching my video. It's always appreciated if you got this far. Cheers.